Question number 4. Billy and Susan buy a $10 lottery ticket together. Susan contributes $7 and Billy pays the other $3. They decide to share any winnings in the ratio of their contributions to the ticket price. How much does Susan receive if their ticket wins $1,200? And I'm going to show two solutions here. In the first one, since the ratio of their contributions is 7 to 3, Susan paid the $7, so Susan's the 7, Billy's the 3. We need to find what number to multiply each of those 7 and 3 by, so the numbers stay in the same ratio and they add to $1,200. So the number I'm going to multiply them by, I'm going to call it K. So I'm going to multiply 7 and 3 both by K, so the ratio becomes 7K to 3K. And so we need to solve 7K plus 3K adds to 1,200. So here's my equation. And so 7K and 3K add to 10K. And I want to isolate for K here. So the 10 is multiplied by the K, so we undo multiplying by 10 by dividing by 10. So this line here shows each of these divided by 10. 10K divided by 10, 1,200 divided by 10. The 10s divide out, and we just get K on the left here, and 120 divided by 10 is 1,200 divided by 10 is 120. Now, Susan gets the larger share. Remember, she was the 7 number, so we will multiply 7 by 120, and so she gets $840, which is answer B up here. If we wanted to find out what Billy got, we would take, see, he's the 3, remember? We would take the 120 and multiply it by 3, and he gets 360. And just to check, her 840 plus his 360 adds exactly to $1,200. Now, a second solution, a second way to do this, is written at the bottom here, and this is the shorter of the two. Since the number from the ratio 7 and 3 add to 10, then Susan actually gets 7 of the 10 parts, or 7/10 of the winnings. Billy would get 3/10, she would get 7/10. Now 7 divided by 10 is 0.7, which means she actually gets 70%. And so if we find 70% of the $1,200, 0.7 times 1,200, again, is $840. So that's another way to do that. If we wanted to find Billy's, we would multiply 0.3, because 3/10 would be 0.3. 0.3 times 1,200 is the 360.